The Juicing Masterclass. Get Jay's free juicing ebook. Click the link down below.
One of the finest foods in the world for potassium and magnesium. Now, most of you, when you consume the celery edibly, you will take the celery and break it and string or strip it down. Now, I will agree with everyone. These celery strings are quite difficult to masticate, to chew properly, you see? But you don't, when you have a juicer, throw them away. The most nutritious part of that celery are the strings. They are very difficult to masticate, however, I agree. But the most concentration source of potassium and magnesium are in these celery strings. Most juicers get bound up and bogged down with it. Not here. I designed this juicer to be able to take any fruit or any vegetable at any given time. You see? Very easy. One of the finest sources of natural sodium, and you are a sea of salt inwardly, lies in that celery. A fine coolant, a fine utilization of it will keep you from having insomnia, muscle cramping, premature fatigue. Tremendous, tremendous source of nutritional value.